After analyzing the results of their activities over the past year, the management of our company decided to conduct an advertising campaign. As part of our marketing strategy, we plan to start producing our popular product, Phyto Tea in granules, in a new filter paper bag measuring 6 by 8 centimeters. We have been manufacturing biopreparations for 20 years, and we are constantly mastering new products. Our enterprise is part of a large production association in Voronezh. It was planned to start producing tea in special tea bags in 5 months, in order to conduct an advertising campaign as soon as possible. The use of tea bags provides portioning of tea in a special material, in the form of tea bags. I, as a leading pre-production technologist, was commissioned to find equipment that would ensure production of Phyto Tea in filter bags with a possibility to increase machine capacity. The main criteria of the search were: firstly, the equipment should be fully automated, bag feeding, seam welding, trimming. Secondly, the machine control should be simple and clear. The machine was planned to be placed in the assembly and packing shop. It was planned to use filter paper for tea production. As a technologist, I understand that at all stages of production, it is important to comply with the requirements for pharmaceuticals. Humidity level, room temperature. In pharmaceutical production, it is necessary to carry out analytical quality control of raw materials, finished products. We must use quality equipment to meet the requirements of the hygienic services. Therefore, I approached the issue of choosing automatic equipment for tea packaging in the filter bags with all seriousness. The solution to the difficult problem, I started with the most popular way, a search on the internet. I understood that there are no hopeless situations, so I continued looking for a solution. I found similar equipment for tea packaging from 3 Chinese manufacturers. I contacted them by phone. Managers of my chosen companies didn't answer me. Could their machine seal seams, cut the bags automatically? Would it produce 1,000 bags per hour? When can I get a finished machine? To all of these questions I heard the phrase, "We'll do it." One company started talking to me in Chinese, and I ended the conversation. As a result, I concluded that I cannot choose the equipment for packaging tea pellets on my own, and decided to turn to a specialist. I needed a professional who would give me complete information about the machine, its capabilities, test the equipment with our material, talk about delivery terms. It was decided not to consider Chinese intermediaries from the very beginning, because often manufacturers from China have their own direct representatives. I did not want to go through this stage all over again, and decided to turn to Russian intermediaries for help. I made the choice of a specialist, based on the following criteria: long period of work in the market of pharmaceutical equipment sales, positive customer feedback, the availability of information on the company's website, and convenient terms of delivery of the machine. According to these parameters, I selected 4 companies. After sending an email request to all of them, I didn't get any answer from 2 of them. One company warned me that they don't have their own adjuster, and that I would have to install the equipment myself. This option did not suit me. Only one manager from Moscow was able to quickly give me competent and constructive answers to my questions. I also liked the business-like approach of this specialist. The manager of this company was polite, asked a lot of clarifying questions about the required capacity of the equipment, what material we use for packaging, the desired size of tea bags. After preliminary consultations by phone, the specialist suggested a tea bagging machine and an envelope packaging machine. I have coordinated this option with the management of our company, and we have signed a contract for the delivery of the chosen machine. During the whole period of manufacturing, I received an email report on the readiness of my order. When the tea packaging machine was made, the manager sent a video clip of the equipment, tested on our raw material. An envelope is formed from a roll of filter material, into which tea pellets are automatically dispensed. A second roll of yellow tea bag packaging is formed into an envelope. The finished tea bags arrive at a special table for inspection of the bag's edge welding. Experience showed the decision to ask for help from a professional in choosing automatic equipment for packing tea into filter bags was right. After talking to a real professional, I got a bit smarter myself, learned a lot, and am absolutely sure that a good teacher is the one whose words match the deeds. I checked it on my own experience.